Hey, lovelies, welcome to my wellness journey. Today, hmm, today I decided to grab the remaining coconut I had from my fruit fast challenge and peel it. These ones are way much matured, very much matured. It takes a lot of strength to really peel them. Yeah, so story time. I want to tell you guys an experience I had within the week. So within the week, in fact, it's not just a story; it's a confession. Within the week, I really had to indulge in bad eating behavior, and what I started noticing was that anytime I indulge in bad eating behavior, my body rejects it. It's either I feel nauseous or my head starts to ache, and I start having this discomfort. It has happened like 3 times already, so I think I'd have to completely stay away from unhealthy unhealthy meals. Anyways, so in as much as sometimes the um, unhealthy cravings kicks in, I have to master and build that momentum to kick it out because I think the only option now is to always look for alternatives that are way much healthier and best for me. Yeah, so on this wellness journey, there's a lot I'm learning. I'm beginning to listen to my body. I'm beginning to pay attention to what my body wants and what it doesn't want in a much more healthier way. So I'll stick to this journey. It feels like a mission impossible, but I always tell myself that it's possible. It's possible. I know it's possible, and others have proven that it's possible. So I'm gonna stick to this wellness journey and do my best. So should you. Anyways, enough of the talking. Uh, I'll let you enjoy my tactical coconut peeling skills. All right. So enjoy. Guys, at this point, so many things were going through my mind. I was wondering if I should divide the coconut, cut it into pieces, and grate it, and then make some coconut chips. But unfortunately, they've taken our lights. We don't have lights at the moment, so I'm just gonna have to peel it down and consume it slowly until the lights are back. And yeah, anytime I get the chance and time, I'm gonna do the coconut flakes because I have some yummy and awesome recipes I want to share with you guys. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'll be dropping some recipes that I've been creating and eating as well. That is helping my journey slowly. So stay tuned. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a lot of benefits from this coconut. Do you know that the fiber, which is the husk of the coconut, is also good for digestion? It really helps in bowel movement, and it's also a natural detox support. Well, here in Ghana is eco friendly. We use them for ropes, mats, brushes, and also gardening soil. They are also really good. They are also really great for plants. The coconut husk holds water and improves soil health. So we mostly use them here in Ghana. Its benefits are numerous. I can go on and on and on and on. Anyways, so yeah, I've gotten to this final stage of peeling my coconut. And here I was really checking if it had enough water inside. The water also, the coconut water, is really, really, really good for hydration. Is really good, rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. It also supports heart health, which may help regulate blood pressure. And thirdly, it aids in digestion, gentle on the stomach, and can reduce bloating. The water is an energy booster. It has natural sugars that give quick energy without heavy calories. I really, really find it hydrating, especially when I'm about to exercise or I've taken a long day in town. I'm always looking for the coconut spot to grab my coconut water to hydrate my body. And the coconut fruit, which is the white flesh, it really has some healthy fats, which contains medium chain. It really has some healthy fats that provides quick energy, also boost immunity, and support weight management. I'm also on a weight loss journey, so anything that will help me or anything that will support me to manage my weight and keeps me fuller for long, why not? I'll go in for it. And lastly, the the flesh of the coconut also supports brain function. So coconuts are a good deal. I can coconuts are really, really helpful and has numerous benefits. And I've forgotten, you can also extract oil out of the flesh. I can't wait to do that though. To be extracting my own oil from the coconut. So I'm gonna learn that and share my learning journey with you guys soon. Enough of the talking. At this point, my brother was really disturbing me, he was begging for some of the coconuts. But I'm definitely gonna share with him and share with you too. So one for me, one for you, and one for him. Yeah, that's so refreshing. I would choose coconut water every day, every time. So in One really one of my biggest dreams and focuses that I'm actually working towards is to eat my own food that I plant, especially organic foods. It has become one of my goals because um this journey has really taught me a lot of things, and I'm really skeptical with what I eat these days, and it really breaks my heart to also discover that most of the things that really help our wellness journey had become really expensive to afford. So one of my goals in this wellness journey is to is to get a piece of land and start growing my own fruits, because at the end of the day we are what we eat, and I can't continue taking in or surrounding myself with foods that are not healthy. I will choose healthy meals till I die. Anyways, you're all invited. Mumbra na yendidi. You're all invited.
Ade amedi be yi.
So man,
Nkyɛn nipa biribi ɔtɔn bi o. Kata bɔ kaa wɔ ɛsɛ maa ho. Ɔyɛ nso te sɛ yɛ ni. Ayɛ mo.
guys, see you in the next. I am rooted in Ghana, living in wellness. Bye.